umesho kanjalo I think mhlambe uyayincengela nje kuMangwabe ukhohlisa abantu bakaNgwabe abakhona lana angazi ngoba ubakayekhe wayengitshela ukuthi ngiyazamthatha umuntu onengane.
Yep, because he gossips about his wives. He chose to say whatever he said to Makele, saying how he can never marry a woman of a child. So now we understand why he has been treating Mangwabe the way he has. Now, what I don't understand about this is, was it necessary for him to go out there, call out the child, only for him to say he doesn't stay in the home state, in the Msaroko home state, because they have their own lions there? Go read this man, even in his sickly state, right? He still has his ways around humiliating Mangwabe. He still knows how to inflict pain on others. That part baffled me, but moving right along, he said this. And then he didn't stop there, he went on to say this. And then Mayeni and Makele started getting emotional and crying. But Mangwabe on the other side was just like, I don't know what these ladies are crying about. I don't understand what's causing all these emotions. Like, I'm not moved, you know. Anyway, moving from that, I want us to revisit the separation issue. What broke my heart about the separation issue was when Mawande was doing her diary session and she said this.
Yeah, if my friends get divorced, I'll be stressed a lot because now I have to choose who I'm going with and not going with. And I'm not divorced because I'm from Nabo.
This really broke my heart because I was just like, dang, parents really do hate the kids, you know. But then again, you can't expect someone to stay in a place where they're not happy.
I really feel bad for my mom. All those bad words about her from my dad is really sad.
Sometimes parents are better off when they're separated. Sometimes parents are better off when they are co-parenting and not married. Sometimes marriage brings out the very worst in other people. Otherwise, do share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.